Hello. You know, take two. Take two. Gweithio fydd y sain yn iawn. Iawn. Croeso'r stream. Heddiw, da ni'n chwarae Still Wakes the D. Walking Simulator, basically. Sy'n cael reviews go lew. So... Ond dwi'n licio'r developer yma. Sef Chinese Room. So. Enjoywch. Lle ddim siarad lot yn ystod y playthrough yma.
What are you thinking? Going to that place? Wish you hadn't got yourself into this mess, but you did. You can't run forever. I know you were just trying to do right by me, so I need you to do what's right by us. Now, please, Kaz.
Kaz, dyn ni.
I am so tired of fighting. I just want it to be over. I want you home. The girls want you home, but if you don't deal with this, then we are done for good. I love you. But I won't wait forever.
Sus.
Jesus, Sus.
Girls made you a Christmas card.
Fuck. Merry fucking Christmas.
Kaz, Roy's finishing up breakfast if you want something.
I'll be there in a minute, Trots.
Aye, well, dinna wait too long or someone will be off with you.
Aye. Alright.
Gedaan, hè? Goed. Oh, dit echt. Wow, jong. Om te zoomen wel.
Sorry, girls.
Dat wel, ja. Het toch cool? Ja, nee, maar. Join the union. Done.
Aye, quite right, Trots.
Ooh, okay. Okay. Trots. Ja. En dan Scotland's oil. Longer together. Fydd o well o'n da? O, na well. Ja. Whoa.
State of this place. Well, Davy must have gone back on shore last night.
Felly rai fi chwarae fel. Ar yr hen mouse a keyboard de. Wy. Dal fi mynd.
Alright, Kaz.
I'm alright. What are you doing up there?
Finley.
Pipes leaking. If it's not one thing, it's the other. See this whole rig? It's a pile of shite. It's falling apart. And we've only just started drilling. Fucking Cadal. And fucking Rennick cutting corners.
Aye.
Speaking of, you are in the shite, wee man.
What?
Rennick got a letter this morning from the mainland and he's been up to high dough ever since. Heard he's gunning for you.
Well, that's just brilliant.
Christ, I need a smoke. Can't find my lighter anywhere.
Take mine. I don't need it anymore, honestly.
You're a fucking lifesaver.
I'm going to get breakfast.
Alright. I'll see you for darts tonight. We'll put a wee picture of Rennick up on the board for you.
Sounds like a...
Ah, good one. Good bants. Good bants o Finley. Lle bwysio chdi off. Pumpo. TOS. No. What lle dwi wedi fynd? Dim ffordd na. New rooms for both. Yeah. I've got those mission items requested. Oh. Environmental. Ooh.
Doesn't he surprise me? Prick.
Yeah. Gada hwnna fanna. Gibson, Dobby.
Well, this is cosy.
Yeah. Bydd mi wel, chwaith. Ie. Ond fi, wylion.
Tight bastards.
O, mynd i ddalla. The field, I'm going to take action the board with no customer's bonus be made. What? Not on. Join your union. What? Oh, okay. You can see in. Mae'n edrych yn neis, ynddi? Mae'n neis, Lind. Mae'n edrych fath am y fod i. Ti. Crew lounge. I'r crew lounge gynta. Nes i fi cael busnesu. Darts tournament. Dyn si gallu ni fynd. Kaz. Ah, si gallu ni fynd Finley. Oh well. Yeah. Smells like a scary digwydd. Iawn. Yeah. Oh, canteen. Let's go.
Look, there's
Ooh.
no escaping. There's going to be a dozen more rigs up here by the end of next year because they pricks in Westminster want their grubby wee hands on Scotland's oil.
Christ, not this again.
The bear is already down to the bare bones. and Cadal are just going to make more cuts to get other rigs on the go. If we don't take industrial action soon, this place...
Oh, come on.
If we don't take industrial action soon, this place will be even more of a death trap than it already is.
Here, here.
Point though, Gibbo. We're down to a skeleton crew in the pontoons and it's ropey as fuck down there.
Workers of the world unite. What do you think, Kaz?
I don't know. Just here to fix the lecky.
What do you think will be keeping the lights on if this place falls apart?
That's coal, you numpty.
Oh, banter, good banter. Good banter with the lads, Savannah.
You alright, Roy?
Cars, me old mucker.
Maka.
McClary, to my office. That means now, not as soon as you're ready. Now.
The sweet sound of Davy Rennick.
You think it's the Paulus?
Can't be surprised, Kaz. You heard from Suze?
She's talking about divorce.
I'm sorry, Kaz. She'll come around.
Not if I get to jail, she won't.
Well, maybe you could have considered that while you were battering Billy Chamberlain's head in.
Cunt slagged off Susie, had it coming.
And there he is. Floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee, and swears like the devil himself. Listen, mate, even if it is the police, maybe it's best to just go back and face it, yeah?
Ugh, I don't know, Roy. I'm fucking scunnered with the whole thing.
The Lord loves you, mate, no matter what. And I'm pretty sure Suze does too.
That's all clear for you now, Roy.
Lovely job, thanks, Dobby.
Oh, Trot says he's left your insulin in your cabin.
Oh, bless his little communist socks. Muchly appreciated. Ta. Remember,
It's not Sal.
it's not over.
Until the final whistle. Aye. You're a Barnsley fan, so
Yeah.
you're from the off, right?
Oh, I will see you hand for that, McCleary. Not if you try.
Fucking
Those nibs
bants.
close the gasket.
Lad bants. Let's go. I love lad bants. Love it.
Enjoying your last day, McCleary?
What's that supposed to mean?
You've been a naughty boy, from what I've heard.
Ah, geez, peace. You're not exactly an angel yourself, Adair. I'll be fine.
Well, you're not be missed. You wouldn't know a day's graft if it slapped you in the face.
I'd like to see you try and do my job. You wouldn't know a spark plug from a fucking hairdryer.
Yes.
Watch your mouth, McCleary.
It's bir sevmemez. Video hogema. Så var banter hogema. Banter.
How you doing, boys?
No bad, Kaz. Raf's here's a bit shaky, though. Going to be the lad's first solo dive this morning.
All right. Ah, you'll be all right, pal. Especially with the big man here looking out for you.
Have you done it before?
Christ, no. I'll stick to the lecky, thanks. No great in tight spaces, and it's blowing a gale out there.
Really filling the lad with confidence there, Kaz.
Yeah.
Sorry, wee man. Don't worry about it. Brody's got you.
Bodie. Top lad, Bodie. What are you doing?
Man, I hope there's some leftovers.
Haggis. Yes. We actually look at haggis. Some of the issues of haggis.
Home sweet home.
Lle dwi wan? There. Cymryd. Ie. Ww, dwi'n gwneud allan. Leave area. Ooh, dwi'n pop yna. Helmet. Whoa. I thought Metal Gear Solid 5.
Head up.
Why? Oh. Dwi'n beth gen fydd hwn de. O, mae'n edrych yn neis.
Am I alright to get by, pal?
It's alright. You have to go around, Kaz.
What, Jake? One of us needs a heat here, eh? Try not taking mine off next time.
So dwi'n...
Play it on the deckie. Go and smash it. Right extra tension to give someone a kicking.
Melyn. Dwi'n cymryd idea? Ooh. So ik mynd ar oil rig. Di mi weithio, dwi'n meddwl, ond so can mynd i weld o. Okay.
Need a hand there, fellas? McCleary?
No, I can scalp in this hero by myself. No, we're all right. Cheers, though.
Yes!
You want to transfer here, McCleary? You'd give me less lip.
No, he loves it.
Clary, my office. Don't make me ask again.
In a better mood today, is he?
You'll be all right, Kaz. You get used to it. We all get a turn.
Try not to punch him.
No promises.
Yeah, lads.
Give me a minute to check. It needs fitting again. I can see from here. Drill crew will love that. Rennick will love it even more. You're telling him. I told him last time.
Oeh, waar met die klemmen doen?
Alright, Roper, what's the problem? Don't usually see you down here.
Drill's acting up this morning.
Oh.
The crew running around like blue-ass flies, but they cannot make head or tail of it.
Is that you's behind schedule then?
No, not yet. And not if the gods are smiling on us.
Yeah.
More fucked than ever.
Not as fucked as you by the sounds of it. Look, you better get up there. The boss man sounds raging.
Well, how long will that take? Orders in, but might be 2-3 weeks before it's shipped, like. I can patch it, but we'll need to keep an eye. Maybe say a prayer and all. Seems like we keep doing yours.
Stay on the path, mate. A cargo hoist will crush you if you get close.
McCleary!
Jesus, Scooby! Give me a heart attack.
Oh, sorry, mate. Can I ask a wee favour?
What do you need, Scoop?
Oh, could you do me a quick fix on the crew lift fuse box while you're down there?
Aye, no bother.
Oh, you're a lifesaver, mate. And don't let the big man get you down, alright?
Thanks.
Yeah, pal. Lads. Banter. That stuff.
McCleary, why are you not in my office?
The boss man and riding me today. So mae'n swnio fatha dwi wedi assaultio rhywun cos o'n gael go ar graig fi. Edrych vibes dwi'n cael.
Well, here we fucking go.
Ah, Mr. McClary. So glad you could join me, and sorry to have got you out of bed. Shut the door and have a seat.
I'm fine, Stan.
Sit your ass in that chair, you fucking liability.
But
I run a tight ship. Do you understand me? A tight ship.
Technically, it's no shit.
Shut your gob, you Ned prick! I am sick to fucking bouking of you wee gobshites messing with my operation. That chef might be a mate of yours, but he does not run things around here. I do. Do you understand me?
All right, why don't you just get on with it?
Don't you answer me back! You might be the height of shite on shore, McClary, but out here, I am the fucking king. Do you understand me? You bring the police to my door, to my rig.
I can sort this, right? I just need time.
Shut it, you clatty gobshite. I've got here's a mama who can make a more positive contribution to this operation than you.
Look, I know.
Shut it! I'm in a meeting. What? Fuck's sake, Gibbo, I don't care. We're on a schedule. It's a fucking drill. You've got a fucking drill, so drill through it. Yeah, well, Roper's a whiny old fud. He's got a problem with everything. I don't care if it feels off. Just fucking do it! Or I'll come down there myself.
Is that trouble with the missus?
You're fired. You hear me? Fired.
Come on, man. It's only a wee bit of trouble with the polish. I'm good with the lecky. I keep things running. You said it yourself.
Out! Get off my rig!
Wat een cam really per.
Happy New Year to you too, you cunt.
Ik ben wel een mal. Zit er dan met?
Well, no more running for you, Kaz.
Wie ben dan? Wat? Wow!
Jesus, Gregor! Gregor! Guys, help me! Guys, don't let me die, please! I don't want to die! I don't want to die! Jesus, just hang on! Fuck! Fuck!
Zullen we survive, Jonah? Game over.
Christ, but you're a right pair. 2 bars and a ball bag.
Now listen, Pat. I promise I'll take care of him. I had a word with our Kieran, you remember him? He knows Billy Chamberlain from way back. Owes me a favour. Reckons he can sweeten Billy up a bit. Come on. Have I ever let you down?
Right, you lost the cake at the wedding.
Now then, that wasn't my fault.
You left it on a bench at Argyle Street.
Aye.
Hoe doen we dat, Gerstrid?
Remember baking the cunt.
Oh, my children, that was before the light of the Lord came to me.
Here we fucking go.
And you, Mr. McCleary, you can fuss and cuss all you like. But perhaps if you went to the Saracens a little less and the Tabernacle a little more, then perhaps you'd not be in this pickle, eh?
Hey, Roy.
Don't look at me. You're the one who decided to spend the next 4 months trapped on a rig with this bampot.
Susan, I promise you, we will get this straightened out.
I will. You'd better.
Oeh, zal hij naar Roy onshore? Daar al.
Guys! Christ!
He's gone cold! Shit! Guys! Get his legs! We can't leave him out here! Move! Fuck! Kaz! I think he's deep! We've got you, man, alright? We've got you! He's breathing, thank Christ. Kaz, come on. Wake up, Kaz. Why is he not waking up? Can you hear me? Is he going to die, Brody? Kaz?
Doe die Maron Baron en shit willen dan. De big vibes zo. Ik ga die Maron Baron. Ooh. Oh. God.
I need your help here!
Shit.
My heat's killing me, but... Aye, I think so. You got me out. Did you get Gregor?
I got you, aye. I couldn't find Gregor. Fuck. I'm sorry, Kaz.
Jesus.
He's not the only one we lost. Oh, no. Rass is still in there. Why aren't these working? Kaz, I need you to help me. Kaz!
What? Right. Aye, what do you need?
The cable's stuck. Go down and release the main brake, then come back up and raise the bell. If you can get it to my level, I think I can get him out.
Aye.
Rafts, it's alright, we're getting you out. It'll be 2 minutes, pal. That's it! Come back and winch up the bell now!
What's going on, Brody? What happened?
Don't know. The drill hit something. An air pocket or gas explosion. Nobody knows.
What?
But whatever
Aliens.
It was big. You were lucky. Trust me. Douglas is trying to find out more. Like if the bear is even safe now.
What's wrong with Rafts?
I don't know. All right. Decompression shouldn't be this bad. I shouldn't have let him go down there. I said I'd look after him. I'm here, Rafts. It's Pro Day. I'm gonna get you out.
Is there anything more I can do?
No, I'll get him. We need to know what's going on up top. You'll need to go through engineering. The way up is blocked from here.
Where's engineering for here? I've never been doing this end before.
The only way you'll get there is to go under the rig. Should be a clearer path down there.
All right. I'll head down now.
Okay. Where am I? You are here. Oh, okay. Well, now. Whoa! Oh, bollocks. Hello, mate. Oh! What the hell? Det fucked henne.
What? Cuz! Get over here before it falls apart! Find me inside!
Jesus. What is this stuff?
Vet du nå? Drill hin, ja.
Jesus.
Oké, dan krijg je bricks. Andiamo avanti.
Shite! Fucking see again.
No! Sono metallo! Sono metallo!
Shite! Fucking see again.
Oeh! Oh, it's got dal dda iddyn nhw! Dwi'n licio sydd nhw ddim yn dysgu mechanics i chdi o gwbl tan yr eiliad ti'n defnyddio nhw. Mae'n rili handi.
Shite! Fucking see again.
What?
Shit! Christ! Too close.
Oh my god.
Oh, fucking hell. Just get across.
Fucking scary. Engineer access, let's go. Stressio felly fama, stress. Temp.
What the hell is she? Jesus Christ.
Dwi'n rili gobeithio ddim lot o hyn, dio. Cos mae'n reit boring. Who are here?
Where the fuck am I?
Dwi angen mynd. Engineering ops. Okay. Mae'n reit linear hefyd, so...
Finally, something useful.
We'll do that. Okay.
Fuck is that?
Fucking...
This isn't gonna open.
Oh, the monsters on this.
Jesus.
Clary. Guys, over here.
Jesus, Finn. You alright? You look like you've seen a ghost. Who's making that noise?
Gibbo. He's making that racket.
Should we no find him and help him?
No, wouldn't recommend that.
What does that mean?
It means he's no alright. After that explosion, he got oil or some shite on him and just... I don't know. He freaked out. Went for me. He's still out there.
You mean out here? As in out here with me?
Aye, that's exactly what I mean.
Oh, that's just fucking brilliant. You seen anyone else?
I just got here. Where you going anyway?
Back to accommodation.
Listen, you'll have to get through the water tanks to get up to accommodation. And quiet like.
Gotta go all the way up there. Jesus. And what about Gibble?
Stay the fuck away from me. You listening to me? He's no right, cuz.
I'm not arguing.
Cuz. Be fucking careful, eh?
Aye. You know.
Gaan we s'avonds wachten? Wat doe ik er? The jump scare on with. Bookstore. A hyn 'di'r gêm I gyd. Os dwi 'di chwarae stwff Chinese Room o blaen, a mae yna lot fwy o fatha... So mae'r pes o'n slo, ond mae lot o'r gêm, mae lot o'r stori o fel, llun necessary gêm. Ia, fa ma yndi.
Fuck is that? Can't open it. Jesus. I'm on. I'm not looking. I swear. It's all right. Just take it easy. Christ.
Fuck did it? The fuck ydw I?
I'm staying back, okay? Fuck. What the fuck? What did you do? No! Douglas! Douglas! Jesus. No. Can you be? Shit. Oh, God. Can I get this one open? No chance. Jesus.
Woo. Yeah, no other man.
I need to get warm.
Use heaters to get warm.
Stop.
Okay.
Shake. Fuck. Stop thinking about it. Just stop thinking about it. Jesus. Jesus. Right. Right. Is there anyone here? Hello? If there's anybody here, fucking say something! McCleary here?
Cass, it's O'Connor. I've got Bruce and Fergus with me. You know what's going on?
No, but we hit something. You need to get out of there.
Don't need to tell me twice. Listen, something's wrong in engineering. It's not safe. We'll go through the Legnan, come up through the underrick. Rennick better give the evacuation.
You have to go through accommodation. It's all blocked. Do you hear me? O'Connor!
Oh no.
I'm going to book.
Fuck
Christ, that stuff is rank. Stuck fast. Roy! No, he's not here, fuck. I have to go round the crew lounge and try the galley. Please be there, mate. Trots.
Fuck the Golema.
Trots, is that you? I can't hear you, man. Open the door. Trots, the door's blocked. I can't get to you. What's up, wee man? Are you hurt? Jesus Christ.
Kick Carol?
Trots! Hello?
Oh, it's nice. Yum.
Bloody hellfire! Get in, quick.
Thank God you're all right. Jesus, what are you doing in here?
What do you think I'm doing in here? What the bloody hell is going on?
I don't know. People are dying, Roy.
Dead? Who's dead? How?
Douglas. Trots, I think. I don't know, it's this thing. I think it's doing something to people. I don't know what to believe, know what I mean?
I really do. I saw something out on the deck. I didn't stay to look, it just scared the shit out of me. I should barricade the door.
We can't hide, Roy. We have to get off this rig right the fuck now.
What, without Rennick say so?
Roy, did you hear Rennick? What, you think we're getting evacuated? He'd want everybody back at work if we were at the bottom of the North fucking Sea.
Right. The lifeboats, then?
Aye. You stay. Barricade the door. Let me clear a path, and once we're ready to go, I'll come and get you, right?
I'll be here, don't worry. Getting some extra prayers in.
We're gonna need them.
Gaz, you won't leave me. It's bloody terrifying out there.
I'm not leaving you, pal.
I wouldn't blame you if you did, mate.
I mean, you got all the food in here for a start. Listen, get your man upstairs on the case, and I'll see you soon, right?
Goodbye. Now let's stay. Fucking hell! Zo'n flink, waar ben ik bij ons, ne? Zo.
No, locked. No, this goes outside. It's too dangerous out there.
Good enough, no.
Jesus. What the fuck's happened?
The fuck, do you know? Ew. Oh my god, oh, fucking hell.
Jesus.
Oh.
Heat. Oh, fucking hell. What is that? Fuck. Maybe I can get through the laundry.
Lots of them into storytelling. British. Can't be.
Hello? Anybody in here?
Here is the shipping forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking southwesterly, veering westerly, gale 8 to storm 10. Very rough or high. Rain and wintry showers.
Oh, shite!
Oh my god. fuck corner.
I'm not going back in there.
The fuck corner. Scared.
Christ. How am I going to get down there?
Oh my god, Cymru. Pam dwi wedi gadael mates fi wan. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh, fuck!
Attention crew of the bearer. All personnel need to get to their nearest evacuation point. Don't you all get too excited now. You'll all be back at work in 15 minutes once I get all this nonsense straightened out.
Fuck. Bastard.
Yeah. Mae lot o stwff fel ydi to. O, well, na ganddo.
on.
Na ganddo. Whoa. Woo. Ie, allan mynd nôl at mates fi on.
Jesus Christ. Let's not do that again.
Ie, sut dwi'n dod i nôl mates fi?
Oh, come on, you're joking me. Oh, thank Christ. Here it is. Okay, right. Looks easy enough.
Ie, ond...
Nah, that's not it.
So that's not it. Oh, yeah.
Halfway out of here. One more. One more. Right. Now the lever. Get it into position. Nearly out of this. No! Jesus! What?
Bydd yn disgwyl am i ddigwydd fan wan? Be ffwc yn disgwyl am i ddigwydd fan wan?
Oh, that's just brilliant. Perfect. Now fucking what?
Ond ie. Dwi'm yn gwybod Dwi'm yn gwybod beth o'n disgwyl neud.
Locked.
Ooh.
Who's that?
Rennick. It's me, Kaz.
McClary, what the fuck are you doing to my lifeboats?
It's gone. It's just fell off into the fucking sea.
You must have done it wrong.
Fuck off, Rennick. You built this fucking thing, not me.
Who's with you?
Roy's in the canteen. Finlay and Brody are alive.
Listen to me, McClary. Get your ass up to the chopper pad. Bring anyone else you can find too. And whatever you do, don't touch this stuff all over the bearer.
I can't get back out. There's a safety door. The railings are all gone.
For God's sake, do I have to tell you how to do everything? Give the door a tidy kick at the bottom. It'll open right enough.
What about you?
Just concentrate on getting to the pad. Don't worry about me.
See, Rennick?
What?
Well, does this mean we're okay, like? No hard feelings.
Get to fuck McClary, and when you get back, fuck off again. I'd be happy to see you drown, but I'm not having your death on my fucking record.
Fair enough.
Go
Fair
on,
enough.
sell you old fud.
Bit fair enough, though.
Fucking cheap bastard.
همشي هارت فراوند كنا. Oh.
Shite.
Who's that?
It's Kaz, Innes. What's going on?
Jesus, I need help. I don't know what to do.
What was that?
Something's happening to me. Oh no!
Oh.
Innes. Innes! Fuck.
Okay, vänta. Oh, sorry.
This stuff is taking over. Christ. Don't fucking fall. Don't fucking fall.
Ooh.
What? Jesus.
Fuck, you know.
Is that Trots? Jesus Christ.
Vad är det nu, man?
just a mess. What are they thinking?
Over there. Fucking move it!
Fucking hell.
Jesus Christ, that was close. Okay. All right. Roy. He's blocked the door. Freezer vent. Aye.
Cuz, you alright? Jesus, you look
Do
terrible.
not go down those fucking stairs.
What the hell is going on?
Trots. I think it was Trots. No, it's just fucking horrible, whatever it is. Just stay in here and keep quiet.
Did you get to the lifeboats?
Yeah. Fuck knows if they ever work, but they definitely don't fucking work now. I had a wee chat with Rennick about it while I was out there.
How did that go?
Badly. The cunt still reckons we should get to the bird.
You think?
You got a better idea?
Cuz, mate, I'm not going to make it over the deck. I'm not feeling so good, pal. I think I need my insulin.
What? You're fucking kidding, Roy. Now?
Oh, I'm sorry to inconvenience you, Mr. Bloody Fit and Healthy. I tell you what, I'll have a little chat with my pancreas, shall I, and tell it to pull its socks up.
All right, fuck's sake. Could you not just eat some fucking jam or something?
Oh, bloody hell, the man's a medical genius. I'll get on the blower to Dr. fucking Spock and tell him not to panic. We've solved diabetes here.
It's fucking McCoy. No Spock. He was the pointy-eared cunt. You think you can manage to get to your cabin? You've some in there, aye? I'll get to the helipad. Make sure that cunt doesn't try leaving without you.
All right. I'm not useless. I can get there. Listen, when you get to the chopper, tell Archie to radio in the support ship. We need all the fucking help we can get, Kaz.
All right, big man, all right. Just be careful, okay? My girls need their godfather in one piece.
Okay. Sweet to go away. Sweet. We'll do a glass. Ooh. Du med det helipad bara den det var. Oh. Cool. Pam du måste jumpa med det. Pam du måste ner.
I don't like the sound of that. Whatever it is.
Så det är något så Pam du kan få. Dwi'n meindio am y bit lle maen nhw'n blocio chdi fel hyn.
I can barely see the lift to get there with this fog.
Ond it's a bit boring, isn't it?
All personnel, this is an evacuation order. In case I wasn't clear enough the first time, that means get to the helipad now. It's your responsibility to get there, and we will be leaving with or without you. So move it.
That bastard thinks he can fucking leave us.
Pam hwnna'n... Pam hwnna'n dau bwtwm? Yr issue sgynna fi o'n ydy, dwi'm yn gwybod lot am y cymeriadau yma. A mae yna rhyw fath o twist y fath. Mae yna rhyw twist y fath yn diwedd.
Sunil, what the fuck happened here?
A dwi'n gorfod poeni amdano fo. Dwi'n gorfod poeni... Dwi'n gwybod... Cos o'n coes lyca'r stori, o, mae i rai gyfniadau o, mae'r oelrig yma. Ond...
Jesus, Ennis. What you doing up there? That thing will see you.
That thing. It's Muir, cuz. It's fucking Muir.
Muir. Jesus.
Okay.
Christ. I don't understand, cuz.
Listen, we have to get to the helipad, all right?
I tried talking to him, but he came for me. Like, he didn't care me at all.
It's no him anymore, Ennis. There's nothing we can do but leave. Save who we can.
Aye, you're right. But the only way up is the crew lift. He won't let anyone leave.
Then we need to get past him.
All right. I'll see you there. But don't he be a hero if he hears me, all right?
And then don't let him hear you.
See you at the lift.
Oh, okay. See you at the lift. Good. What?
Can you see me? Jesus.
Ooh.
There's the lift. This isn't gonna open.
Jyst yn bach yn... Ffaith dwi'n gwybod lot am y cymeriadau, a mae'n sy'n disgwyl i...
Christ, Dobby.
Dwi'n gwybod pwy di Dobby.
Fucking hell. You alright? Can you get out?
No. Muir was coming at me. I just froze. I didn't care how I got myself in here, but the cargo hoist came down and we're right crabs in a creel now.
Are those the hoist controls behind the fence? Maybe I can shift it.
All right. You're a good lad, Kaz.
Oh my god, dat is wel... Se din fa occupa prima corte d'emda. Hidden. Not a fan. I didn't. Oh my god!
Stop making noise, guys.
Mm-hmm. Ti'm yn gweld lle ma'n gweld, ti'm yn gweld... Sut fydden nhw'n... A, fam eto, ffog off, dwi'n sprintio fo.
Aye, you go over there. Good lad. That's loud. Go on, Ennis.
Dwi'n holl ffordd yn ôl, mae'n bollocks. Shit.
Aye, over there.
Oh my god, man.
Come on, Muir, off you go.
Oh, fuck off! No way!
Here we go. Oh, fuck, that's loud. Go on, Ennis. Come on, lad. Take the bait. Come on, lad. Come on. Shit. Hold on. Gosh. No. No. Jesus.
What can I do on? Ffaith yn gallu just gweld o fan yn sefyll ddim yn helpu. Come on, siomedig.
We should go back and get them. Like hell we should. You shot them. They're gone. Get a move on. Archie! Rennick! We have to give them more time. You told them to come. What I told them is that we are leaving. And we are leaving. Now. I'm right here! Archie, stop! Wait! Wait!
Bastards. Behind the Archie.
Bastard! You lying bastard! Where are you going? Jesus Christ! I can't fucking die here.
Oh.
Christ. Zeus. Fuck. Come on! Come back! Hey!
Oh, I think I'm tied up. What? Ooh.
I should have kept better than to let you two out together. The two greatest minds of your generation united over a bucket. Nobel Prize committee will be warming up their checkbooks already. You seriously think if you leave the country this will all just blow over?
No one's going to chase me out into the middle of the North Sea.
My mum always said I'd married beneath me, Kaz, but I thought you were smarter than this.
I'm fucking doing my best.
No, you're not doing your best. What do you know about oil rigs, you roaster?
Good with the lecky.
Terrace houses, Kaz, flats, maybe a shop, if you're feeling adventurous.
Roy's put in a word. He said I'm up to the job.
Oh, for God's sake. Roy's a cook.
He's a chef.
He's a cook.
It's just for a few weeks. We'll just let it cool down a bit. Then I'll call Billy Chamberlain and have a word. Talk him into dropping the charges.
If you run the police, I'll give you the jail for sure. When are you leaving?
Tomorrow morning.
You are shitting me, McCleary. It's the girls' school concert.
I'm fucking scunner, Suze. What do you want from me?
I'm just saying this, Kaz. If you leave us, if you run, if you go, then we are done.
No.
Oh, don't say that. I'm here. Suze. Fucking hell. I'm losing my mind. Now fucking what?
No way with the phones along gweithio. No way.
Hello?
Taz, it's Brody.
Jesus, the fucking chopper, man.
Aye, I saw it. Did you get to the lifeboats?
Aye, they're busted. Fucking Cadal. Mechanisms are completely fucked, cheap
Denny
bastards.
flat, McCleary. Just listen, here's what I need you to do. I need you to get to the radio room and call the support ship.
It's fucked, man. The fucking crane fell on it. Hello? Hello? Shit. Hey.
It's Brody.
Hey, I know who it is, you daft prick.
Listen, that's the generators failing. If they cut out, we'll be on emergency batteries so the radios won't work.
You're not listening. The radio room is gone.
Christ, man, there's other radios, but only one set of Jennies. If they fail, you're going to need to head down there and manually restart them.
I'm not going down there again. Fucking gibble.
Kaz, if the lecky cuts out, you won't have a choice.
You go and do it.
Not Kaz, I'm busy. You need to get to the Jennies and stop them from shorting. Got it?
Aye. Jenny's. Right. Brody. Ah, shite!
Fix the Jennies.
It's Kaz. Who's this?
It's Davros! I'm in the lifeboats! God knows how I made it, but I did! Where is everyone?
They're all gone. You've got to get back up here.
Climb back up! I just got here! Do it again! Ah, shit!
Davros, Davros, can you hear me? Hello? Fuck.
No, man, somebody vid allan a cael mwy o stories.
Christ, no wonder Rennick was raging.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Information respect to inst. Cameron McCleary. Ooh. I'm again with it.
Hello? Anyone in here? McCleary here.
Christ, Kaz. He's here. He's in the wall.
Oh, easy. What are you on about? Who's here?
Under the admin module.
I don't know.
Fuck.
Kill, Gebruik weer en dan. Handen. Guts 100, because dan really de gewoon niet gewoon gamma.
Fucking thing's locked.
Kijk wat dat?
Good morning, everyone. Here is the shipping forecast for 0630 on Tuesday, December the 23rd, 1975. First, gale warnings. There are warnings of severe gales in Fair Isle, Hebrides, Bailey, Faroes, Viking, Forty.
What the fuck happened in here?
There are warnings of gales in all areas. For general service at 0600. Depression in the Atlantic.
No wait. Hello?
Here is the shipping forecast
Ew.
What? I can't get this one open. No chance. Jesus fucking Christ!
Ugh.
Fuck! Fucking man!
Henrik, wel de boss. Is fucking ready to reveal dat ze. Oeh. Oh, maar de game een glitch to the game to. Oh my god.
Where's he fucking gone now? Oh, shite. Jesus.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ, that fucking bastard.
Woo! Game glitch like nice. Yeah, game massively glitch. Okay. I just found the gallan o'r game because mae'n fflachiad mynd o'n gyd. Nôl i fel da. Nôl i fewn. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n mynd o'r panad yn sydyn. BRB.
Down しゃ愛で空が落ちてくる You are sharp 俺の胸に落ちてくる熱い心鎖で繋いでも今は無駄だよ邪魔するやつは指先一つでダウンさ You are sharp 愛で鼓動速くなる You are sharp 俺の鼓動速くなるお前もとめさまよう心今熱く燃えてる全て溶かす無残に飛び散るはずさ俺との愛を守るためお前は旅立ち明日を見失った微笑み忘れた顔など見たくはないさ愛を取り戻せ You are sharp 愛で空が落ちてくる You are sharp 俺の胸に落ちてくる熱い心鎖で繋いでも今は無駄だよ邪魔するやつは指先一つでダウンさ You are sharp 愛で鼓動速くなる
Back, baby. Är du back nu? Säg det, man. Du är demon. Enjoy game med mig väl. Ja, okej. Okay. Oh.
Oh, come on, you're joking me.
Seriously.
You're a fucking oh.
How many more cynical idea? Oh my god. Oh. This door is locked. Lotterin peth igen med det. Men det är nice. Oh, så funny. 6.
Hello?
Bruce! We're trapped! What's coming in?
Bruce! It's Kaz, where are you?
Lost O'Connor! You hurt his leg! Swim!
Bruce, tell me where you are! Bruce, can you hear me?
Let's choke you.
Jesus Christ. Shite!
Come on, I chose our 70s there. Come on, we do need. No.
Locked.
Oh. Um. Cymru, mamma mia.
That's gas. There must be a valve somewhere. I need to shut off that gas valve first.
You go the gas.
That's gas. There must be a valve somewhere.
What's a fucking. You know that. Dwi'n gwybod sydd lefel fydd hwn.
Leary.
Finlay. Jesus, am I glad to see you.
Aye, you and all.
Fucking Rennick nearly had me. He's changed. He's fucking vicious.
Doesn't sound like it's changed much to me.
Ah!
Anyone else?
Brody. He sent me down here to restart the Jennies.
The generators, aye. That's where I was headed.
But the lights are on.
Right, we're an emergency battery system, no. There's not going to hold for long. The beer is taking a lot of damage, the infrastructure's compromised.
That's just brilliant. So how do we get the Jennies working?
Right, well, first thing, get in that cabin over there and reset the protective relay. That might kick the Jennies back on. Go on, see what happens.
Lot o pobl yn dithri be i neud oes? No, no. It should be in there. Back to relay. Oh, my cap. 100% undifär on, because the objects of on.
Ah, ya beauty. At least that works. I better tell Finlay. Can't I open it? Shit. Oh, aye, worked like a charm.
Shite. The generator must have tripped because of a fault somewhere.
Aye, and the relay will just keep resetting until we fix it.
We'll need to restart the generator manually.
Right, where you go then?
There's two jobs here, McCleary. The Jenny's and the fault. You deal with the Jenny's and I'll find the fault.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know, but the generators are that way.
Well, I'm no fucking going down there.
Have you got a better plan? No? Aye, well, I fucking didn't think you would have somehow. Fucking get on with it!
Aye, where you go then?
Wait, where you going then? The fuck, you know?
Fuck is that? Jesus.
Vänner vi. Vi träffas. Nämen. Vad hände? Getting a jump scare, man. 1000% jump scare.
That must be it. A wee hut over on the other side. No far now. Fuck. Oh dear. Jesus. Bastards, you're still working. Better check.
Fucking hell. Which one did Peppermint's TV? Caramel out. You switch it or... So there, been watching live on the... Well, we would switch it or... Dwi'n lyfio Yorkshire Gold. Dyma llefrith, obviously. Ond dwi'n tywed yn healthy. So dwi'n pwca peppermint. You fucking prick.
The generator switches should be around here somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Jesus, don't fuck it up now. In order. Come on.
1. What?
Kaz, are you there?
For fuck's sake. Maybe no jump out at me. Have you no seen a dare?
Oh, it's that prick. He's away in mud handling by the sounds of it. Listen, we're in business.
We've gone from full power to batteries to sitting in the fucking dark. What are you all about?
And getting in a stushy is going to help us, is it? Just get that generator running. It's out on the floor. The key for it should be in there somewhere. I'll be out here looking for the fault.
We'll be looking out for a dare as well, alright? fast.
Look, there's a weird vent ar y llawr yma.
Fuck!
That worked, Kaz. I can see where the fault is. It's blowing a fuse back in mud handling.
Mud handling? Is that know where Adair is?
Kaz, it's coming back. You need to move. Get back to mud handling and fix that fuse.
Sut ti ddim gofio nhw'n? Os ti'n gallu gweld y monster, dylai y monster edrych yn dda.
Stay out his way.
I'll find ya. Mae'n gyd yn dweud Karen fan I'm gonna find you. Pan fydd pob dwi ddim yn licio yr thing ma'n i troi'n un.
This is mud handling. So the fuse box has to be somewhere. Locked.
Oh my god, what are they doing?
Thing's locked.
Stop making noise, guys.
Oh.
Shit. Now he's looking for me. Move it. Nope. It's locked.
So it's locked. Vad är det för knivarna? Nej, det är mycket gammal.
Shite. Fuck off. Where's that fucking relay? Finlay?
Kaz? No, it's Brody. I thought it was Finlay with the lights coming back on.
It worked? Thank Christ. Finlay was here, but we get separated. You alright?
Aye. The rig isn't though. We're starting to sink.
You kidding me? How long till it goes under?
Soon if we do nothing. Look, I need you to come down to the pontoons. If we engage the tension winches in all four legs, we can buy some time.
What's the point? The pontoons, the electricity, they fucking things. It's a fucking nightmare.
What you on about? You survived this long, haven't you? More than can be said for most of the poor bastards on this rig. Christ, Kaz. Somebody up there must like you.
That's what Roy keeps telling me.
Aye. Well, he's a Barnsley fan, so...
Yay, Barnsley fan.
Aye, you're no wrong there.
I'm no wrong about this either. You're the jammiest bastard on this rig. And we need that right now. So let's do this, aye?
What do I need to do?
You engage the winches in legs A and B, and I'll do the others. Easy. There's a direct route down from engineering.
Aye, alright. I'll find my way down.
Top man, Kaz. I'll give you a shout over the tannoy if we're in business.
Shouldn't... Det blir pointer gamer. Rhai pobl wedi troi monsters. Iawn, oce. Dwi'n mynd disgyn byd amdan y pobl ma. Dwi'n mynd disgyn byd... Mae jyst yn... Mba. Gutted o, cos mae'r gêm o'r... Edrych yn dda. Dwi'n Hyn fydd hyn eto, fydd y monster a fydd rhaid fi'n cuddiad eto. Dwi'n licio walking simulators. Os ma'n atha stori. Gêm gynta hyn oedd gêm nhw di-rester. A ti'n ei lot llai yn y gêm yna. Ond mae'n just yn... Mae'n teimlo oedd ti'n cael mwy allan ohono fo. Climio fyny... O, dwi'n climio fyny'n barod. O, dwi'n na.
Oh, Christ.
O, lle dwi'n mynd yn lawr. What? Shit?
Fuck. It's soaking. I need to sort it at the fuse box or it'll keep shorting out.
Dwi'n mynd i fanna.
Fuck, fuck, fuck!
Dwi'n mynd i fanna. Dwi'n mynd i fanna. Fix the counters lift. Ie, dwi'n gwybod... Oh my god. Sut? Mae hwnna melyn. Okay. Hwnna melyn, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n gwybod. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n gwybod. O! Idiot. Idiot. So, I got it. Like that.
Don't look down, don't look down. Oh, for fuck's sake!
Ooh. is, sorry? Yeah.
This train, they must have done like see.
What's yn di fan'na? Oh, okay.
Counterweights are fucking go.
Dwi'n holl ffordd nôl I fyny. Okay.
Oh, thank Christ. Here it is. Nah, that's no it, you nutty. Okay, back to the winch controls.
That's it. The cable's engaged. Glad you're alright. It's, not exactly very nice down here.
There's a fucking understatement.
I've done the first cable. You need to do the same in leg B through the pontoon.
Right.
See you on the other side, Kaz.
Hope so, pal.
Kaz.
Fucking hope so. More bodies are there. Jesus.
cable antenna to?
Hello? Christ, creepy as fuck down here. God, how did they even get it? Oh, Christ. Fuck, fuck.
Oh shit, 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 shit. Fucking ass, remember? Woo! That danger.
Shit.
Okay. So we're just down petroleum. Ideal.
Ah, Christ, poor guy.
Keep closed at all time.
No, I do not want to go in there. Fuck. Jesus. Ah. Right, here we go. Right.
Vet du vad det var dåligt, men... Schamettigt det. Oh shit.
Ah, shite, that was close. More draining. He's done the other one.
O, ti'n gweld y ti'n gweld y... Ti'n gweld yr petroleum ar y top.
No way through.
Fuck door die wind. Up we go.
Christ.
Oh, sorry. Sydd yma? O. Hey.
Hello?
Mae'n tall lladd fynd i.
Connor. Is that you?
Go away!
Oh, Christ. Oh, man.
Oh, Mary.
Oh, man, what happened to you?
Go and fetch Mary.
You can hear me, can you? You understand me? Fuck, Jesus. I'm sorry. I can't help you. I'm sorry. I ever gonna get the fuck out of here? Okay, get this. Get this fucking over with.
That's magic, Kaz. We've done it. Not so bad, huh?
Speak for yourself.
Send the leg and I'll see you up there. Thanks for helping. We'd all be gone without you. And I mean that.
No, don't get around.
Yeah. Rounding for the boys. For the lads. Rounding. Round of beers. Oh, fucking hell, man. What's this, man? What's this shit, man? Damn, man. What's this? What's this BS, man? Jesus. Is that heaven? They should have sent a poet instead of a lackey. Prediction fi, mae rhoi either di marw neu di troi fewn un o'r things awful na. Ydy prediction fi fan. Fatha fellow content creator.
Can I fucking stand this cold? Jesus. I need to get warm. Jesus. Christ. I need to get out of this fucking place. I need to get home. Thank Christ. I better check on Roy.
Check on Roy. Roy's dead.
Roy, fuck's sake.
Oh, gosh, mate, thank the Lord. I've been worried sick.
Sorry, pal. I've been away out of the shop since I last seen you.
What's going on, Kaz? What happened with the chopper?
That cunt tried to go away at us, but, well, didn't work out well for him or the bird.
Bloody hell, Kaz. Is anyone alive?
Aye, I saw Finlay. We had to get the Jennies on. And Brody as well, helping with the tension legs. Do you know what? I'm a fucking rig expert now.
Yeah, bads.
I'm glad you've not been alone out there. Those two are all right.
I saw O'Connor. He's one of these things, but I thought... fuck, I don't know what I thought, but whatever it is folk are being turned into, there's something of them still in there. What's going on? Roy?
It's all right. It's just me being clumsy. Once I get my shot, I'll be right as rain.
Do you need me to come and get you?
No, I can do it. So this rig out. And the way to get us home. See you girls. All right?
Aye.
You're a good lad, Kaz. That's why Suze loves you.
Suze.
She does, you know. She really loves you. Kaz?
Aye. Sorry, I have to go, Roy. Will you make it to the cabins all right?
Yeah, I'm on the way now. You, be on yours. I'm praying for you, mate. Remember, Jesus loves you, Kaz.
Jesus loves you, Kaz.
Everyone else thinks you're a god.
All right, pal.
Yay, bants.
Afters.
Religious bants. I'm all for religion. Run. Number 5.
Hello?
Down.
Hello? Anyone there?
I don't have long. I left away my mum. I had to get to... She's hung at me. I'm going to have my head stuck in
Suze!
this.
Is that you?
Oh, Jesus.
What?
This bloke's trying to give me a kicking and all.
Going to be a wee boxer, eh?
Aye, you wish.
I wish
Ah, wat heb je balls? Wie moet die maar een barret?
Aye? Well, I feel like an elephant.
Christ, what is this? Suze! Suze?
What the hell? What?
Christ, look at him. Has it got bigger?
Or is he just happy to see me? Penis joke.
Shite, that's oil dripping and everything. One sparking. Fuck. Ah! Suze!
Oh.
Jesus Christ, what the fuck?
Oh, men gaan stapje, da. Jullie gaan stapje. Het wint troi van in de pobol na. Het wint die wal droi a stapje va. Hynny di prediction fi fan. Dwi'n dechrau troi. Okay.
Roddy! Roddy. Fucking hell, how you doing?
Better than you by the looks of it. Did you see any others?
You mean anyone alive? Well, I spoke to Roy. He's not doing great without his insulin. And I've no idea where Finlay is now.
I spoke to her a few minutes ago. She's stuck until she gets past Rennick. Or what used to be Rennick.
Feels like everybody's dead or worse. And I don't know about your side of the pontoons, but where I was, the oil tanks are burst, and I think there's a gas leak. I mean, I'm looking for a fucking bright side here.
Well, let's cross that bridge when we come to it, alright? Right now, we have to deal with the stack.
That noise! Aye, okay. Alright, the stack. I'm kind of thinking the flare shouldn't be looking like that.
No. The main feed's ruptured. It's burning out. It could get worse. And if it does, it could spread to the derrick and cause an explosion.
Right, so we're fucked. Again?
Not if we switch the flare onto the auxiliary gas pipe. If you go over to the processing quad, I can...
What? Have you seen it out there? Oh, aye, it's quite nice. You know, maybe we should swap.
You can't work the controls, Kaz. Otherwise, of course, I'd go myself.
Christ. Alright, alright.
It's called gameplay.
And find the diverter valve, main to the auxiliary. It's on the middle floor, flare side. I'll ignite the stack from here.
Right.
If I can't do it, then you'll need this.
Jesus.
I'll be on the tannoy if you need any help. Good luck, Kaz.
Great.
Hody. Take the readout on signal. Oh. Ja, het wordt een casino. Okay. Pa yna that deer? The size of that deer? Meddwl da.
Oh, Christ.
Don't look down. Oh, it's handy. So fuck dwi'n... Pam nath y tân ddim brifo fo?
This looks like it.
Posh valve. Hey!
Sydney tan linell Joy 2 yn dilyn ac yn rhan o'r griw.
Diolch yn fawr Sydney Joy 2. Diolch am y dilyn.
Can't, because I'm not that fucking lucky.
to head out onto the stack and use the relighter I gave you.
Fuck.
Did you hear me, Kaz? Wave or something so I know you're receiving.
Prick.
Understood.
Yes. Hey, okay. Welsh. I'm speaking Welsh, by the way. I am Welsh first language.
Okay. Divert the.
Okay.
What was that again?
Cast fire a lot of times. Come on,
Jesus, you're fucking joking me.
Oh my God! Run! Run! Whoa!
Fuck's sake. I'm trying to save us, you stupid fucking bastard.
Oh my God! No, Vidal!
Let's see him squeeze through there.
Woo!
This fucking flare fired.
How far you want? I'm not sure. I know it's quite a short game, so I can't be that far from the end. I don't think. It's only been like 2 hours 47. I think it's like a 4 hour game.
I'm doing this.
Oh my God.
Shit.
Running away!
Jesus.
Whoa, jump! Let's go.
Kaz, for fuck's sake, move! It's about to collapse! Kaz!
Remand.
Hear me, Kaz? Please, man, hurry!
No! What?
Gears piece, Suze.
Oh.
I'm sorry, love. I'm not being difficult. I'm just trying to pick up the pieces of your mess.
Plots.
Let it go, okay? He's carried a fucking torch for you since school. He's always hated me for being the bigger man and for having you in those beautiful fucking wains.
Oh, no. Bigger man! You are shitting me, McCready. You're the bigger man. Your 8-year-old daughter's got more brains and bigger balls than you have. What about the kids? The flat's in your name. You go to Berlin and they just take it away.
Listen, Suze, come on.
No, you just shut it, McCready. You sit your arse down and you just listen to me.
How can we not just talk about this?
Because I am smarter than you. That's
Oh.
why. And I will not let you drag those girls down.
No, I don't stream every day, no.
Sort this. Whatever you have to do, I don't care.
Just when I feel like it.
Sort this or I will leave you. You understand?
Suze, look, I'm really sorry.
Just enough. Okay, just get out of my sight. Try not to put anyone else in hospital the day, yeah? That might make a nice change for you.
No, I didn't mean that. Why'd you have to... Ah, Suze.
Oh, look at it.
Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. Jesus. Suze. What have I done?
What the hell's going on here?
Ah, you bastard.
You know all of them, ah? Oh my God. Whoa.
chance.
No.
Zeus? What is this fucking stuff doing to me?
It's pretty scary. It's also quite ambiguous. Oh my god. I don't think I'm glad I'm gonna play it, but it could be better. I'm a bit disappointed with it. I've been waiting for this game for years. I like the developer, but this game it's not quite the same as the other ones. Ooh. Oh my god, it's up there. Oh. Damn. Oh, grip. Oh no, that's the...
Rafts, mate. What a mess.
Raph's was the first one to turn. He was banging. He was stuck inside that. Oh my god. Yeah.
Christ, what were they up
Oh, if you read this, I'll meet engineering. I did my bit. You promised to wash chance F. Oh. That's Finley. What's Finley? I'm back here. Oh my god. What's that? No way through. Engineering is full of oil. We can't do this. I don't want to give up. Get out. We lost Kaz, but we can still sort this. Don't do anything stupid. Oh no, that we don't do. I made it. Ew.
Fuck's sake! Finley.
How's Finley always okay?
Hey, how the fuck are you no dead?
I thought I was.
You fit to help?
Christ, can anything help?
Aye, if we cut ourselves loose and quick like, we'll buy us time, maybe enough.
Do we even know if anyone's coming?
We've been off radio for hours, so aye, I should hope so.
Finley, good. Let's. Kaz. I thought.
Aye, he's a walking greeting miracle.
Ooh.
Are we doing this or no?
Aye. We float the rig. I'll dive down and release the tension cables.
We knew we needed
Balance
to.
out, maybe end up higher in the water. I'll need you both at marine control.
It's Roy.
Hello, can anyone hear me? Look, I'm stuck up in some fucking hotel on the accommodation roof. I don't know how long I can last without insulating.
He's up on the roof. I have to get him.
No!
Is anybody out there?
You have to get to marine control with Finley.
Please.
It's a two-man job and we don't have much time.
You think Roy does? I can't just leave him. I promised I'd get him home.
Ah, let him go.
What?
If you want to go, go. But this place is filling up with gas and oil from the drill to the derrick. God knows where else it's leaking to. I can't recommend it.
I know, Brody. But I'm going. I have to.
Engineering's your only path up there, and it's flooded, so you'll have to swim. It's a long way. Plan each step, and if you're underwater, stay calm.
Oh, aye, that's exactly how that'll go.
Enough! You both know what you're doing, so let's go.
Right, yeah, Brody. How's your nerve, alright, McCleary?
Shit ti'n iawn bod to?
I'll find you.
Kaz, you're a good man. You're a good man, Kaz. Good family man.
Can't help now.
Oh, come on. What? Ben doing wrong? What? Oh, I don't want anything, Sydney Joy. No, thank you. You're about the 5th or 6th person to ask me that. No, thank you. I respectfully decline. Sorry. So you don't waste your time and you don't waste my time. No interest in what you're trying to, what you're gonna try to sell. Also, don't put, can I ask you something? And then put the question straight away. What if I said no? Just for your future inquiries to the people. But respectfully, no thank you. Does? Does? What the hell's going on? Come on, Paul. What? And with that, Sydney Joy 2 is away. Sydney, huh? Why don't you add? Ah, I thought they were going around the gwbl. Ooh, right. This is oh god. When's more the hints in there?
Leaks of oil in here. There must be a leak somewhere. Fuck. That's all we need. Fuck.
Co tu mi divana? Ne? What's that? What? Oh, why not? Okay. Well, that. Well, that. Hoi! This is nee. Oni dal hwnna, oni fucking dal hwnna. No, remember. That's right. Oh.
So fucking cold. My bones are like fucking ice.
Hon är mekanik weird. Hon ser att den är vård mekanik i hon är blind.
Nightmare. This can't be real. Come on, guys. Come on, keep it together. For fuck's sake. Well, enough waiting around. Look at that. That is some weird shite, man.
Oh no. Ooh. Number 3.
Do you know what time it is?
Oh no.
Hey, wakey wakey. Jesus, Kaz, it's Kate's birthday. You're supposed to celebrate the day, no last night. Do you hear me?
Suze? Aye, I hear you. What do you mean it's her birthday? That's no for months. Suze? What's going on?
A bit of an interesting. Pam dwi'n mynd i mwy o fo. Oh, my Ryan fucked. Kaz gone to the roof.
Roy must have gone through the roof. Has to be a way up somewhere.
Crew lounge, daaronder. Oh my god, wil zich er wel aan. Solution dan.
I'm going to boke. Christ, that stuff is rank.
Smeer ik die ergens van? Hier, deur.
Shit.
Ew.
Ah! Gotta be a vent. Up, down, fucking somewhere. Oh, Jesus. Fucking poor bastard. Fuck. Aye. You stay over there.
Fuck on. No way, I throw you them a heavy fucking insulin.
Still up here. Oh, Christ. Ah! Ah! Oh, Jesus. Bastard.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Ew.
What the hell? How did they get like that? Christ. Did Trots do this?
And it's hot. Ah, boy.
Roof access. Oh, I'm so close. Jesus.
Careful. Fuck on.
Fuck! Ha!
And it's hot.
Christ.
Don't come up and it's hot.
Roy's insulin is here.
Lucas? Misschien als jullie het hebben, dan kan de rode insulin. Oh no!
I've got to go.
Oei, Litty.
Roy! He up here! Roy!
Jesus. It's moving all the other place.
Whoa.
That must be it. Thank Christ. Roy! Roy! Talk to me, big man. Come on. Roy! Roy, wake up, you prick! Please wake up.
No.
Come on!
No.
Oh, you bastard. Don't leave me here. Please, big man, come on back. Christ, don't leave me. Roy, don't leave me. I can't do this, man. I'm scared, bro.
No.
I'm fucking terrified.
What was it?
What am I going to tell Susan? Hey. I mean, she's going to fucking kill me, man, you know?
Inject her insulin.
She loved you, big man. She really loved you. So did my girls. Wait, what am I going to tell them? Oh, sorry. Your Uncle Roy's not coming home. Aye, I know. Me and Ollie. I love this big man, do you hear me? I loved him.
Goodbye.
Who's this?
It's Finlay, Kaz. You got to Roy. Good. Look, Kaz, the water's up to admin, so I couldn't get to Marine Control. You need to try and get there from where you are, alright?
Jesus.
Aye. And that English bastard better come and off. You can't stay in that hut forever, no. Kaz? Kaz, you still there? When you're not shouting, I start to worry like. Roy making a fuss? Put him on. I'll get him tailed.
Ooh.
Kaz? For fuck's sake, what's going on?
Roy's no coming.
Ah, Jesus. Kaz, did you not make it?
It was too late.
Fuck. I'm sorry, Kaz. No. We all loved the big man, eh?
I let him down. He was relying on me.
No, no. No, you did everything you could. You went back for him. None of this is your fault. It's no anyone's. Look, I'm sorry, Kaz, but we need your help here. We're all fucking get down otherwise.
Aye. I want half this fucking rig.
Yeah. Fuck this fucking rig.
Get to Marine Control Room. Call me when you get there.
Fuck this rig. I'm going
Right.
back to Scotland.
Is it even going to hold? Slowly now. Steady.
Be fucked, you know.
Christ. Easy does it. Got to go slow.
Ooh. Dwi bod fyny topio at y tair pedair gwaith. A dwi fel reit yn gwylod. Bugger!
No, no, no! Fuck! Jesus, fuck. Rope. No, you no. Nice and slow. That's all right. I just need to make a call. Yeah? Aye. Here we go. Finlay. I'm at Marine Control. I'm not alone.
Fuck. Is it that bastard Rennick?
No, no. Jesus. It's Roper. He's all messed up.
Cass, listen to me, alright? Listen.
Alright.
We need to keep it together.
Alright, just tell me what to do.
There's only 2 switches. You just have to find them. First, find the ballast operations panel. There'll be a switch there to put it into manual control. You flip that switch. Go do that, and then I'll talk you through the next part, alright?
Aye, alright. I'll look for it. Why is it locked? Fuck's sake. Ah! It's all right, pal. Here we go. I'll look after this now, all right?
O, got you. Yeah.
Christ, it's way above my pay grade, this. Switch is at manual.
Right.
What's next?
Now you flood the forward pontoon, and I mean flood it to the fucking brim.
Hold on a minute. The pontoons are already fuck full of oil and gas. This might push it all up to the deck.
We don't have a choice. The whole rig could tip over. Flooding that pontoon will at least give us a fighting chance.
What about Brody? Is he no down there?
He'll be out of there by now. He's done his part. We just have to do ours, right?
Alright.
What was that?
It's Roper.
Never mind him. Flood the forward pontoon.
Aye, hang on.
Flood!
Right, back to Finlay. Alright, Right, that's done. Now what?
That's it. Come on. Come on.
Come on, what? Let's move it. Did it work?
Fucking aye.
Fucking aye.
Not so hopeless after all, eh?
Thank Christ, Finlay. What now?
Brody's got a plan. Meet us in drill ops as soon as you can.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
We're going to be alright, Kaz.
I fucking hope so.
Fuck, chill. Okay. Dirty cut me. What a dirty cut.
Suze. Fuck! Am I losing my mind?
Yes. Drill ops. No.
Shite, that was close. Fuck is making that noise?
Whoa. Oh, cos they'n sydd o. Ah, iawn, oce. Ew.
God, it's a fucking nightmare.
Sut ma ffôn dal i weithio? O, dy ddim.
Suze! What's... Suze!
Mae plant yn missing.
Jesus.
Optional. Listen to every optional phone call. Okay. Fuck it, man. Oh my god.
Jesus. Don't think about it. Don't think about it.
Fuck it, man. Oh. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus, that was... Oh, fuck.
Woo.
You rest in peace, you cunt.
Yeah, you cunt.
Gotta get the fuck out of here.
Oh. Do it. Woo.
Finlay, thank fuck. Finlay?
Oh shit.
What's going on? Who are you talking to?
Kaz, you made it.
Brody, what's wrong with Finlay? She's freaked out here.
Listen, Kaz. There's no much time. There's oil and gas getting in here. When it fills, it will be headed right up the drill pipe.
What are you on about?
I'm still in the pontoons. I've only got a couple of minutes. I can't stop it. The rig's a time bomb now. You understand? One spark and... You need to find a way off.
Just get back up here and we'll work it out, yeah?
I can't do that.
What?
I can't get back up.
Wait, no, wait.
I'm sorry.
Wait, listen.
You're on your own now.
I'll come to you. All right?
No, you won't. You wouldn't even get halfway to me. The leg's flooded and the gas, it's no possible.
You got your dive gear?
Aye,
So you can use that?
it's oil, Kaz. There's nothing to be done.
Don't fucking say that.
I knew the risk when I came down here.
Fuck. Can I lose you as well?
Listen, I'm alright, Kaz. I'm already back on Sky.
Hey, people, the sky. Nice. Nice.
Water like that, Kaz. Clear. Peaceful.
Yeah, continue.
You just let go and...
Isle of Skye, top 10 places to be bought.
That sounds beautiful.
You go one day. Alright?
No, fuck that. I'm never swimming again after this.
Kaz, you and Finlay, you could do this, alright? I'm sure she wouldn't do something so stupid.
Brody, you there?
Kaz?
What's stupid? Talk to me.
It's getting higher.
Alright, I'm here, Brody. I'm not going anywhere. Alright, I'm here.
Get him!
Brody. Oh, fuck. Brody. Jesus. How's this happening? What do we do now, Finlay?
Doesn't fucking matter.
He's dead and you don't think that matters?
He was always gonna die. All of them. Always. You see that? We've been fucking about with a lakey and pontoons. And we thought, open hell. Watching our pals turn into monsters. Never once. Never fucking once have we tried to do what needed to be done.
Can't do it, alright? What do you mean?
I'm ending this. Fucking hell.
Finlay. No. Come back. Finlay! Finlay! Wait a minute! Jesus! Come back! You're not thinking straight!
Made you snap you. Vi att det lite så i det. Fucking hell. Damn.
We have to find a way out, come on!
Fucking kid yourself, it's such a nothing.
Fucking thing's locked.
Fuck you into it, oh, but my controller had a weird one.
Fuck! Finlay! 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 Jesus, Finlay. Fucking hell.
Cuz,
I'm here, Finlay, I'm here.
cuz. What? Who is it you hear? When it's close.
Who do I hear?
It's not your Christmas card.
I hear my wife. I just want to get back to her, Finlay. To my weans.
I hear my boy. When he was wee, you know. I hear him now.
Kate. I'm thinking Kate.
He's singing. We're not seeing him again, cuz.
There's got to be a ship coming. You said it yourself.
Christ, cuz. We don't want him coming. Jesus!
I'm sorry, Finlay. I don't know what to do.
We've got to face it, cuz.
What do you mean?
Ah! We can't get back. We can't. But I can.
What?
There's no going to stop with us. Fuck's sake, McCleary. For once in your life, be brave. Be brave for them. You can't save yourself. You can save them.
Jesus, Finlay.
You want to leave it a chance? If it gets to the mainland, you know I'm right.
All right. Aye, all right. For them.
Sorry, it's been so hard.
Okay. O'n i'n mynd disgwyl... O'n i'n gwybod o'n i ddim yn... Rengid o fama, ond... Chwythu peth gyd i fyny. So like... Shit yma. O, sbio'r mechanig eisiau beth iwsio.
God almighty. Christ. Never had a chance. Sorry, Sus. So sorry.
Mae'n swn yn off. Fynd.
You don't recognise me, do you?
No, sorry, love. You know me.
You could say that. It's been a long time though, Kaz.
Hold up. Susan Lafferty. Fuck's sake, is that you?
The very same. Christ, Kaz, but you look no different.
I've still got the nose, eh?
Well, looks like someone did a good job of spreading it about your face.
Ah, bants. Flirty bants.
Oh, the big man a drink.
Jesus, Kaz. Because I really want to be thinking about Roy right now. Jeez.
He looks after me. He fucking adores you, you know.
Well, I am easy to love, Cameron McCreary.
Yeah. I'm finding that.
Shut up, great Suki Jim.
I do though, Sus. I fucking love you. I love you more than anything in this whole world.
Du daft fan pop. You're not so bad yourself, all things considered.
Marry me.
You what?
I'm serious. Marry me. We'll make beautiful wains. I want to spend my whole life with you.
Ooh. Dyn nhw... Beth ydy ddod? Some pwysau hyn agos, cos ti'n gwybod yn...
She's perfect.
She looks just like you.
Thank God for that. She's got your eyes though.
My dad's eyes.
I'm sorry, Kaz. I know you'd have wanted him to meet her.
Nah, fuck him. The bastard wasn't interested in me. Why would he care about her?
You love Jenny's way, Kaz.
I'll never leave you, Sus. I'll be at your side forever.
Oh no, still clear.
Always gonna be here for this Wayne.
Okay, clear. What? It was all a bad dream. N'importe. At the end, videotapes on 1979 and 75. I hwnna oedd y thing yn y thing. Oh no! Vampire! No! Pam dwi fod dau llun priodas yna, dim plant fi? Coral Island. Age of Reason. Oh, dwi bod yn Jersey.
Kiss the Waynes for me. Tell them I'll be back for Christmas.
Oh no.
I'm sorry, Suze.
Hey, Kaz. I'm sorry it's been so hard. Just wanted to send you this. To say we'll get through it. I know we will. Just take care out there and bring my beautiful big gallus man back home in one piece, okay? I miss you and I love you. And the girls miss and love you. I'm still raging at Roy, but he's a good man and I know he'll look after you. Whatever happens, we will be all right. We can weather this. Just wanted to say that to you, Kaz. To keep you safe and close and make sure you know to come home to us. I love you, Cameron McCleary.
Is it doing that
there in those waters. My man. My love.
Be arwynebol, ia. Y holl thing. Wyt ti'n iawn? Siomedig. Dwi'n siomedig. Dwi'n fan enfawr. Oh my god, sadia? Oh my god, sbio? Nuts. Dwi'n fan enfawr o developer yma. Ac y blaen mewn un gêm sydd ddim byd oedd lleill at y arcade games thing. Dwi'n bod yn fan. Ond just boring, oedd. Oedd y boi, the Puncher Boy, neu GBH, ac oedd wedi dweud beth am ei raig. So oedd wedi rhedeg i ffwr yr oil rig. What? Os yna, yna potensial i hwn fod o dda. Oh. What's that? 3 hours 50. Hold on. Not bad, I suppose. 3 hours 50. Ond mae yn costio... Mae'n £26.99 ar offer yn. Dwi'm yn gwybod os yw hwn werth £26.99. Dwi'm yn gwybod os yw werth £30 de. Dwi'n fflio trwy hwnna, ddo. Actually, 3 awr. 50 munud allan hwnna fo. Os mae yna rhywbeth, weithiau mae yna rhywbeth ar diwedd credit hwn. Os eisiau Walking Simulator dag yn y developer yma, di'r ystyr Ond yn awran, ond mae lot gwell o hwn. Felly na ddim. Dwi'n cofio well o hwn. A Everybody's Gone to Rapture. O'n i'n meddwl Everybody's Gone to Rapture yn wirioneddol dda. Dwi'n quite licio diwedd o fanna. Oedd yn twigio. Oedd yn rhaid yn twigio beth yn actually gorau gwneud yn diwedd. Oedd hwnna'n reit cool. Look at vibe y lle. Lot o pobl wedi gweithio'r gêm oes? Dwi'n eisiau skipio fo, dwi'n gwybod os yma beth yn digwydd ar diwedd o. Cool. Be mae'n gyd yn neud? Cool. Forest, yn der oil rig. Cool. Oh my god. India finance, Poland finance. Oh my god. Pwtio'r bwbl i gyd. Takes a lot to do a game in this. Dwi'n gwybod hynna. Oh my god. Me, a special thanks. Doctor. Ia, neis. Production babies, production dogs. What the hell? Google fans, yay! Unreal Engine, actually. So resume game. Dyma resume game da fi. Iawn. Literally neb gotcha fi'n streamio hwnna. Ti streamio hwnna, neb gotcha fi. So dwi'n gobeithio os rwy'n yn gotcha the VODs rhywbeth allan o'n fo. Na i outro fi. Ewch chi,